Okay, so I'm at this system here, and the customer said the rain sensor's not working or the temperature sensor. So this is this sensor here is a wired rain sensor, and if I pour water on it, there are lights in there, so we know the sensor's on. But what we noticed is that you have that red light flashing by the D. That means there's a fault somewhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and this center one here, we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. And we're gonna leave that unplugged for about 10 seconds. All the lights out here, right? The whole system is unplugged. This right here is your rain sensor. At the bottom of that rain sensor there, you could actually see a little cloud with rain drops on it up there. That's the rain sensor. So I'm going to take this main center power, I'm going to plug it back in. Then you'll see all those lights kind of go through their cycle. Give it a second. You'll also notice right there you have a program button, S1, S2. That S1 is one motor, S2 is another motor. You could have two motors on one circuit board. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead, now that I unplugged that center point, I'm going to hit this program button. I'm going to hold it till all the colors come up, and then I'm going to let go. At this moment I heard the system jog. I let go. So I actually heard a jogging sound from one of the motors. Now on this system, how many motors do we have, Tristan? Two. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I want to get this thing, does anything work, channel 1 or channel 2?
Channel 1's not working. And channel
okay, so
2
we need to
is not
reprogram
working.
this thing. So because I reset it. By holding that program button down, I reset the motor. So what I do is I put it on channel 1.
All right.
I'm going to press and hold this. Don't hit anything. I'm going to let go. Now I'm on S1. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to bring your remote control in here.
Yeah.
You don't need that yet.
No.
Turn it over. Bring your controller in front of me. Press and hold the up and down button at the same time.
All right.
Let go.
I heard it jog.
Yep, I heard the system jog. Now let's press it again the same way. Hold it. Let go. Okay, great. This is what's happening. The louvers are actually closing. Okay? So sometimes you have to press the up and down button at the same time. What it's actually doing is going through its limit discovery. So it's going to find its closed position and its open position on its own. So right now we cleared out the motor. Now we're in program mode and the system is running on its own. Once that stops, I'll show you the next phase.